everyone, welcome to our video. My name is Merkris Desideria Sormin.
And I am Erin Pujia Astuti. Today we are gonna to talk about a day in our life.
We will share what we usually do from morning until night.
Yes, so let's start with the morning routine.
I usually wake up at 7:30 a.m. But sometimes I press the snooze button and wake up at 7 instead.
Haha, same. I also plan to wake up early, but sometimes I press the snooze button and wake up at 7 instead.
After I wake up, I drink a glass of water and then take a shower.
I usually check out my phone first, but I know it's not a good habit, but I still do it every morning.
After that, I go to the campus if I have no time. I eat breakfast, but if I'm fasting, I just drink tea or coffee.
I always try to eat breakfast because if I don't, I feel tired during the day. I usually eat bread or noodles in the morning. I usually go to campus at 9 or 10 a.m. depending on my class schedule.
Same. When I am in class, I try to pay attention, but sometimes I feel sleepy, especially when the class is long.
Yes, especially when it's lecture talk for a long time or the room is too cold.
True, but I enjoy the class when the topic is interesting.
And then during the break time, I usually talk with my friend or buy snack.
I like to go to the canteen and buy iced coffee. It feels like it gives me energy.
Sometimes we also have group projects or presentation.
Yes, sometimes it is so stressful. It helps you practice communication skills. After campus, I usually go home at rest for a while. Sometimes I stop by a mini market to buy snacks or drinks before going.
Same, I like to lie down and scroll through TikTok or Instagram for a bit. It's helped me relax after a long day.
Yes, scrolling through social media is like my short break. But after that, I try to do my assessment in the afternoon. Even though sometimes I end up procrastinating.
I think I procrastinate a lot too. I always say I'll start in 5 minutes and suddenly it's already evening.
Exactly, but in the end, I still get it done usually right before the deadline.
Same here. I think deadline actually motivate me somehow.
True, anyway, if have a free time, I like watching movies or listening to music. Sometimes I watch Warrior Official, drama, or random video YouTubes.
Oh, nice. I like to hang out with my friends or cook simple food when I have nothing to do. I often try new recipes from TikTok even though sometimes they don't turn out so well.
Relatable, I tried to make a pasta lunch and it became so instant.
At least you try. I usually make something easy like fried rice or noodles.
That's smart. Cooking after class sounds fun actually.
Yeah, it's make me feel so productive even if it's just something simple.
By the way, how do you usually go home after campus?
I usually take public transportation. It's kind of cheering, but I like to listen to music during the ride. It's like my me time.
I know that feeling. I usually ride my motorcycle so I can go home faster but sometimes the traffic is really bad.
Tell me about it. The traffic after 5 p.m. is crazy.
That's why I prefer staying at campus a bit longer until it is less crowded. Sometimes I did sit in the canteen and talk with my friends.
That's so nice. I also like to chill at the campus park or library for a while before going home.
Yeah, those little moments are kinda relaxing.
True. Anyway, at night I usually have dinner with my family.
Me too, after dinner I take a shower, relax sometimes, I watch Netflix or chat with my friends online.
And I usually check up my to-do list of the next day or prepare for outfit for tomorrow.
Wow, you're organized. I always tell myself to prepare things early, but I end up doing in the morning.
Classic student problems.
Right, by the way, do you drink coffee at night?
Sometimes if I still have assignment, make a cup of coffee or tea to stay awake.
I can drink coffee at night. It keeps awake until 2 am.
Ha, same. But sometimes I do it anyway. No regrets until the morning comes.
Haha, true.
And about your weekend, do you still do your assignment?
Not really. I usually take weekends to let's clean my room or hang out with my friends.
Same. I think sometimes visit my relative or just binge watch series all day.
That's the best tip of weekend, no deadlines, no alarms.
Totally agree.
So yeah, that's basically how my day go after campus. Pretty simple but full of day things that keep me busy.
Same here. Even though it sounds ordinary, I think these routines make student life meaningful.
Yeah, simple but meaningful.
So yeah guys, anyway, thank you for watching our video.
We hope you enjoy listening to our little daily routine story.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!